Welcome to financial freedom? Question mark. Not really. Financial freedom, everybody wants to be a day trader for this reason. Financial freedom is kind of a skewed notion, or a skewed notation, right? Or a skewed notion. People who start making, and I see this all the time. It happened to myself. It happens to my students. Everything's all good when we're new traders, and the idea that we could make this money is great. And oh, hey, guess what? You can make $1,000 a day, and people's eyes pop open. And then all of a sudden, you work with them for a little while, and they make $10,000 a day, or $25,000 a day after time. And this, this is the extreme cases where people are very good, very talented. Some of my best students that I work with. This is not the case for everybody. Take that with a grain of salt. Don't fall in love with that idea, because for the most part, people can't get to that point. A dose of reality here. I won't tell people everybody can do it. Not everybody can do it. It's a very acute set of skills that only a few people possess. It doesn't mean people can't make a career out of it. Just don't get burly-eyed and go crazy over that idea of making 5 figures a day. Again, it does exist, so don't get it out of your mind. Don't shoo it away forever. Just, maybe ignore it for a while until you've been in this field for a bit. So again, welcome to financial freedom? Question mark. Not so fast. Financial freedom in our field, when we can make the money that we can, becomes very liquid. People have $100 a day and they thirst to make $200 a day. People make $200 a day and they thirst to make $500 a day, and then 1,000, and then more and more and more. And it never seems to quite be enough. That's the problem with day trading, is the money that is so liquid that it never quite becomes enough. So I always tell people, as getting into this profession, kind of stay true to yourself, be humble. You can have kind of expectations, but don't let them ruin your life. Financial freedom does not come in this career easily. It takes a lot of work. It takes a ton of practice, a ton of grinding. It takes a lot of money to educate yourself. It's just like anything else. It's just like being, like I said in the other video, just like being a doctor. Doctors don't get to go to school and pay, $100 a course for 2 years and walk away able to save the world. That's not the way it works, right? Education is extremely expensive. Your time is extremely valuable. The money that you're going to lose day trading is going to be a lot. So welcome to financial freedom? Not so fast. Again, I'll say that it's not like that. You have a long journey ahead of you. And if you stick in it for enough time, you'll start to find yourself growing as a day trader, growing as somebody who can make the kind of money they aspire to make or that they aspire to make, and be realistic about it until you get to that point. Don't expect it overnight. Actually, I would not even say some people. I would say for most people, the financial freedom never actually comes. They either don't make it, they can't quite grasp the depth of knowledge. They can't quite find their footing. Let's put it that way. There's many reasons why people fail in this career, and most people do fail in this career, to be honest with you guys. But financial freedom is not something that comes overnight. Don't have the expectation that you're going to just start day trading and financial freedom's coming to you in the next few weeks or the next few months. Do it because you love it. Do it because you enjoy charting. You enjoy the artistry behind it. This is a very dynamically creative profession, right? We have rules on our charts just like this. And when we draw a line, we're artists, right? We draw a line on a chart like this. We change it a different color. This is our canvas. This is what we do. It's a very artistic career. Math and numbers, calculators, all these things are already all done for us, right? Being a mathematician won't help you become a better day trader. The most successful people that I work with are people in the creative field who have the drive and the love and the passion to create something beautiful. It's kind of a funny juxtaposition, actually, because most people expect economists and mathematicians are thought to be the best day traders, or bankers are the best day traders. This is false. The best day traders are people who are highly artistic and who are very creative, because this is our canvas, right? You go here and you remove all your drawing tools, and you simply are an artist with a blank canvas making your rules. And these rules, if you're good enough, if you're a Picasso on the charts, or if you're somebody who knows how to do very good art, they're going to be respected. These lines that you draw, this technical analysis we do, the better the artist you are, the more well received you're going to become in your career. So, okay, see you guys on the next one.